beautiful for the church to know that we have a strong arm, as a body that are reaching difficult places to reach, like college students.
They're basically in danger, in a war zone of ideologies. That's why it's so important for us as a church to have our eyes set on that specific arena.
So we need to be smart in how and when we're gonna approach them with the gospel.
You go to university, it's hard to make real connections, and everyone is just focusing on themselves.
You always try to portray a life on social media that you're not actually living, but you're trying to portray yourself a perfect image of yourself to impress others.
What is the best way to approach sharing the gospel with these people? So we learn their language, we adapt to their culture, we eat their foods to hopefully see what God can do to break down those barriers.
Our mission statement is to glorify God by building laborers on the campus for the lost world. So everything that we do falls in line with that strategy.
All of our staff that are here are under the authority of the local church. We move on the campus with their authority and their support.
We go to the campus, we build relationships with students, and we invest in their lives.
It was the first time that someone approached me with intentions to get to know me from the start, and because they were interested in what was going on with me.
Once you develop a friendship, then they're ready to listen to you. And have spiritual conversations.
And now when God saved them, everything changed radical.
Before, they were so self-centered, thinking about just their career, just their family. Now thinking, what am I going to do for Christ? How am I going to live out my life for Jesus?
So we share lives with people and we help them follow Jesus. That looks like Bible studies, that looks like discipleship groups, that looks like getting them involved in the local church.
Campus outreach has helped me so much, not only in my personal life, but especially spread the gospel, and especially to my family and my friends, non-Christian friends.
It has impacted my life totally, 360, I can say, a 360 change. Going through all of this through campus outreach has been just a blessing to my life.
Because people have partnered with us, we're seeing not only a campus ministry flourishing, but actually a church being planted. So our dream as Campus Outreach is to see in the next 5, 10, 15 years, not only a lot of people coming to Christ and being discipled, but those actually owning the ministry and disciple other people too. Become part of our team, give now,
Or join thousands of others
in praying for our ministry.
Sign up today.